Java program to print the full name. Start the program. Set a string variable called first name to the first name. Set a string variable called last name to the last name. Concatenate the first name and last name into a full name string. Print the full name string. End the program. Flowchart to print the full name. Pseudo code to print the full name. 1. Start the program. 2. Set the variable first name to John or another value of your choice. 3. Set the variable last name to Doe or another value of your choice. 4. Concatenate the strings first name and last name together, separated by a space, and store the result in a variable called full name. Full name equals first name plus last name. 5. Print your full name is followed by the value of full name. 6. End the program. Code. Write a Java program to print the full name. Public class print full name. Public static void main string args. String first name equals John. String last name equals Doe. String full name equals first name plus last name. System.out. Print ln, your full name is plus full name. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Output. To print the full name. Your full name is John Doe.